BarryTiger. Subscribe!
The invisible car. My invisibility potion is finally working. This must be the greatest invention of the century. My broom isn't cooperating with me today. Ooh la la! Today is such a wonderful day. Ooh la la! My body is disappearing. Hi, I am Super Mechanic Barry. Today, ooh la la! Help me! Welcome to ooh la la! Who's talking? Super Mechanic Barry, some invisibility potion spilled on my body. Can you help me? Ooh la la! Oh, you scared me. Dear friends, let's help little car get back to normal. Ooh la la! First, let's use a rag to wipe off the potion. Phew! Finally, we wiped the potion off. Oh la la! Super Mechanic Barry! All my original color is all gone. Oh, I see. Don't you worry. I'll paint you right away. Oh no! I don't see any orange paint here. Huh? What am I supposed to do now? Oh, you have an idea? You say we can mix the yellow and red paint to make orange? Good idea! Let's try it. Whoa! Aha! Ooh la la! I have my color back! Don't rush. We still need to put some wax on you. Ooh la la! It looks great! The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for all your help. Super Mechanic Barry, you are awesome! Huh? I'm sorry. I accidentally spilled some invisibility potion. I didn't know it would cause so much trouble. Oh la la, it's okay. Super Mechanic Barry already fixed me all up. That's so good to hear. That makes me happy. Achoo! Oh no! Where did Super Mechanic Barry go? I'm over here! This witch is just a little bit careless. Crazy monster truck!
It's such a nice day today.
Yes, it's great for an outing.
What was that?
Stay away! Stay away! I can't control myself!
Help me! Help me! Run for your life! Monster truck is crazy!
Wait, what happened to me?
truck together. We should give monster truck a checkup first. Oh, there's a problem with the gas tank. Let's open the hood and start repairing. Why is it all red in the gas tank? Let me take a look. It's chili oil. Monster truck added the wrong fuel. No wonder he went out of control. Let us use the water pump to remove it. And then we'll add in the correct fuel. Monster truck, you're awake. Your jaw dropped. Don't worry, I will fix it. Hang in there, it's almost done.
Oh, wow! Awesome, I can finally speak! Super Mechanic Barry, could you fix my arm too?
Sure thing. There, all done.
Indeed! Look, I can even dance now!
The repair is done. Dear friends, you did great.
Super Mechanic Barry, thank you so much for your help!
You're welcome.
Oh, monster truck, you're finally back to normal.
I'm so sorry about what happened today.
It's okay.
Monster truck, don't add chili oil again, okay?
Got it!
Police car wheel is broken.
I protect Barrytown. My name is Sheriff Lake.
Oh my goodness! Someone's robbing the bank!
Give me that right now!
Oh no, something bad happened.
Haha! Bye! Thanks for the money!
You stop!
Oh? It's Sheriff Lake! You want to catch me? No way! I think I'm gonna give you a hard time. Hey there, Sheriff Lake! Watch where you're going!
Oh no!
Sorry, I've got to go. I hope not to see you again.
Hey, stop! Oh no, I have to go to Barry's repair station.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Barry's repair station. My name is Super Mechanic Barry. Oh, someone's coming. Oh, it's Sheriff Lake.
Super Mechanic Barry, please, I need your help right now.
Sure, no problem. Come on, friends. Let's fix the police car together.
Huh?
Oh, there's a nail stuck inside the car wheel. That's why the tire deflated. Let's use pliers to pull out the nail first. Oh, the tire is still deflating. Let's use some rubber to cover the hole.
My tire is still flat. There's no air.
Don't worry. I'm going to inflate your tire now.
Wow, this looks so cool.
And now, let's go to the car wash.
Wow, this car wash looks so professional.
Let's go ahead and see what's inside the toolbox. I think we should spray some washing liquid first. Oh, it looks like there are 2 spray bottles here. Which one
one tastes sweet.
Oh my goodness! This is chocolate syrup.
Super Mechanic Barry, are you trying to make a police car cake? It tickles!
Now then, let's rinse the bubbles off with water.
Oh, that feels so cool!
Lastly, let's wipe the water off with a rag.
Wow, I feel so great!
Mission accomplished. Hey friends, thanks a lot for your help.
And now, I can continue doing my duty.
Help me!
What's that?
Hand over your wallet now.
A citizen needs my help. Goodbye, Barry.
Okay, Sheriff Lake, goodbye!
All this is mine now. Oh, it's Sheriff Lake. Gosh, I'd better run. I'm getting tired. I finally shook him off.
So who did you shake off?
Oh no!
Freeze! You're under arrest.
I promise not to do it again.
The uncontrollable food truck.
Hi, this is your super cheese pizza.
Smells great. Oh, thank you, food truck Yummy.
Enjoy it while it's hot. Next, please. Oh no, oh my gosh, what's happening?
Food truck Yummy, are you okay?
Oh, thanks. I think I'm fine. Ah!
I'm so unlucky. Who turned off the light? I can't see anything, it's so dark.
Oh, hey guys, I think I have to go to Barry's repair station.
Huh? I think that's a sign that I'm hungry.
Hello, Super Mechanic Barry.
Hello, food truck Yummy. Didn't you make everyone yummy food today?
Oh, I couldn't because something's wrong. I can't make any food. Do you think you can help me?
Of course! Dear friends, let's fix food truck Yummy together! First, we must give food truck Yummy a checkup. Huh? Oh no! The food truck's circuit board is broken! We need to solder the broken wires back together.
It's so hot!
Hang in there! We're almost done! Phew, we're all done! Now we need to attach the wires to the port of the same color. This wire is yellow. This wire is green. And this one is blue. Hooray! All wires are attached.
Wow! There's no more smoke!
Food truck Yummy, can you please check and see if everything is working all right?
Sure. It's lunchtime. I am going to make a delicious hot dog sandwich. First, we will need a soft bun. Then, let's add some fresh vegetables. Next, we'll add a hot grilled sausage. Lastly, let's drizzle some sauce on top. A delicious hot dog is all ready. Wow! All's going well. I think I can make yummy food for everyone again.
The repair is done. Dear friends, thank you for helping out.
Super Mechanic Barry, thank you. I have even more energy now.
That's really good to hear. Oh, by the way, I haven't had my lunch yet.
I'll take care of that.
Wow, a hot dog! Smells great.
See you, Super Mechanic Barry.
Goodbye! It tastes amazing. The bunny car's new outfit.
Happy birthday! Baby, this is your present.
Wow, it's a super big candy. Thank you, Daddy. I really love this gift.
Baby, Mommy also has a present for you.
Huh? What is it, Mommy?
Come with me and you'll find out, baby.
Barry's repair station? Mommy, why have you brought me here? Hi, welcome, baby bunny car. I heard that you're getting a new outfit. Mommy, is this my birthday gift? I love it.
Super Mechanic Barry, I'll leave it to you. Make my baby happy.
You can count on me. Dear friends, let's give baby bunny car a new outfit together. I can't wait. What will I become? I'm excited. Trust me, you'll be happy with it. There's a crack on baby bunny car's face. Let's give her a facial first. We have 4 kinds of facial masks. Baby bunny car, which one do you like? I'll choose a blueberry one. It smells nice. All done. Let's wait for a while. We'll rinse the facial mask off. Then dry with a towel. And now, let's dress up Baby Bunny Car. Baby Bunny Car, what color do you like to wear? I still prefer pink. No problem. Wow, so pretty. I like it. And now, let's give Baby Bunny Car some pretty accessories. We'll change the black tires first. Heave, ho! Heave, ho! Let's change them into pink tires. Let's change the other side too. Heave, ho! Heave, ho! All the tires are changed. Baby Bunny Car, what do you think about it? Wow! I feel like I'm the prettiest baby bunny car in the world. Something seems missing. Ah, I remember now. This blue ribbon will make you even prettier. Wow! I love this outfit. The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Wow, baby, you look so pretty now.
Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry. I'd like to invite you to my birthday party. I'll be there. Happy birthday, baby bunny car. The excavator got a boo-boo.
I'm Excavator Kubo, the best construction vehicle in Berrytown. Woohoo!
Oh, wow, Kubo is so cool.
I want to be an excavator too.
Haha! It's time to show off my skills.
Oh,
Kubo, you look so terrible.
No. I'm feeling good. Look at me. My scooper arm is still very strong.
Oh gosh, Kubo! Stop right now! I think we should go to Barry's repair station.
Oh, it's Excavator Kubo. Welcome to my station.
Super Mechanic Barry, I fell into a very big hole. Can you fix the damage to me?
Yes, of course. Let's go. Let's repair the excavator.
Oh, slow down. I think I'm breaking apart now.
Oh, there's a piece of broken glass. I think we should remove it first. Phew, that was a close shave. And now, we need to find a suitable piece of glass and have it installed. We have 3 pieces of glass with different shapes. Which one should we pick?
Without the glass, my heart feels so cold in the wind. Please hurry up.
Oh, I think this is the one. Aha! We did it!
Super Mechanic Barry, it seems like my scooper arm feels heavier.
Oh, don't worry. I'll fix your mechanical arm right now. Okay, let's do this. Screw in the arm tighter.
Haha! My arm feels strong again. Ouch! My body still hurts a bit. Ow!
Your body is hurt in 2 spots.
Oh, can I still be repaired?
Don't worry. I'm going to fix you. This crack isn't too big. A bit of welding will help. Uh-oh. It's much worse over here. And now, I'll weld and fix the crack. With a fresh coat of paint, you look even more dashing.
I like your suggestion. Please paint me, Barry.
Which color should we choose?
I want to try green. Oh my gosh! I look like I was poisoned.
Let's try yellow.
Wow! I look much cooler now.
You're all fixed. Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Super Mechanic Barry, thank you. I won't fall into a hole again.
Good luck to you.
I'd better get back to work now.
Goodbye, Kubo.
It's time to show off my awesome skills.
Wow, Kubo, so much work. Save the sleepless taxi. I'm so sleepy.
Dear passenger, I'm Nina. Please tell me your location.
Meow. I'm at number 155 Cheese Street.
Sure, I'll be there soon.
Goodness, Meow. Why isn't Nina here yet? Oh, Nina! Goodness, Meow!
Oh, I think they fell asleep.
Wait, what? That's so dangerous. I need to call another taxi.
I'm sorry. It seems that I can't keep working. I should ask Super Mechanic Barry to help me. Super Mechanic Barry is off from work. I'll come again tomorrow.
Hi, welcome, Nina.
Super Mechanic Barry! I'm sorry for the late disturbance.
It's okay. I'm happy to help. Dear friends, the repair will begin now. light is gone. Don't be sad. I have many rooftop lights here for you. I like this rooftop light. What do you think?
This is for a police car. It's not for me.
All right. Oh, I remember. It should be this one.
Yes, that's right. It has the correct name for me.
Next up, I'll start to repair these dents around you.
Wait, this is a toilet plunger.
Relax, it's brand new and clean. See? Look how perfect it is.
Perfect. I like that word. Oh no, looks like I'm not that perfect.
I can fix it for you. Let's apply some glue to attach the rear view mirror. Oh no, I squeezed too much. All done. Let's attach the rear view mirror back to the car. We need to adjust the angle first. Ta-da! All done.
Now it's finally a perfect Nina.
The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for helping me.
Super Mechanic Barry, thank you. I should get back to work.
Wait a second, Nina. I think you should go home first and get some sleep because driving without sleep is very dangerous.
Yes, you're right. I don't want to squash my face flat again. Bye-bye. I'm going home to sleep.
Good night, Nina. I need to go to bed too. Oh no! Baby car is missing.
There's quite a lot of people at the amusement park.
Baby car, stay close to Mommy and Daddy. Don't get lost.
Oh, someone's crying. Oh no, baby car! Why are you covered in bird poop? Where are your parents? Oh, I see. You're lost. It's okay. Let's go to the repair station first. I'll help you find your mommy and daddy. There are many tiny bugs around baby car. We must get rid of them. Let's see what we have in the toolbox. Why are there more bugs now? We have to use another tool. Hooray! The bugs are gone. And now, let's go to the car wash. First, we'll wash with some washing liquid. Now, let's rinse off the bubbles with water. Baby car, you're doing a great job. Lastly, we'll use a blower to dry baby car. Huh? Baby car, what's wrong? Oh, you miss your mommy and daddy. Dear friends, let's let's help Baby Car find his mommy and daddy. Oh, there's a traffic jam. Baby Car's parents should be around here somewhere. Where could they be? Oh, is that him?
Oh, Baby Car, where are you?
Hooray! We found him! But where is Baby Car's mommy? She's a pink-colored car with a purple straw hat. Oh, you said you saw her?
Oh, has anyone seen Baby Car?
This is great! We found her! Hooray! Check finished! Dear friends, it's all thanks to you!
Oh, we finally found you!
Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry.
Stay close to your mommy and daddy next time. Don't get lost again.
The amusement park is still open. Let's go there quickly. Super Mechanic Barry, goodbye!
Goodbye! Race car versus octopus truck.
Wow! The race is about to start, ladies and gentlemen! Let's give a warm welcome to Race Car Cyclone! And the next is...
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Octopus Truck, who will defeat Cyclone and become the champion.
Stop your boasting. Just wait and see.
Well, the best is yet to come.
How about that, Octopus Truck? I told you, you're no match for me.
Then here's my ink attack.
Oh no! I can't see anything!
Oh no! A player is injured! Pause the race!
Oh gosh! Someone was hurt in the race earlier.
I think you're talking about me.
Huh? Race car cyclone.
Super Mechanic Barry, can you fix me? I have to rush back to the race.
Leave this to me. Dear friends, let's repair the race car.
The ink smells so bad, and I'm covered in it.
I think the heavy-duty wash gun can rinse off the ink.
Wow! I love showers!
And now, we need to dry the water off the race car.
Woohoo!
Hooray! The repair is done.
This repair station is so advanced! I like it!
Uh-oh! Cyclone, you have a flat tire.
Aw, I don't like it at all.
Don't you worry, we will get you a new one to use. We'll remove the broken tire first. Then, let's see what we have in the toolbox.
Wow!
Cyclone, please choose your favorite one.
Whoa, the rainbow tire! I like it!
Now, we'll put on the new tire.
Wow! The new tires are so cool! I like it!
The repair is done. Dear friends, you all did a great job.
Thank you so much, Super Mechanic Barry. I can head back to the race now. Goodbye!
Goodbye, Cyclone. I'll cheer you on.
Well, if it isn't my defeated opponent.
I won't fall for your trick again! This is my final sprint, the Miracle Cyclone!
The champion is Race Car Cyclone!
Hooray! I like this! I won the race!
The ambulance is sick.
Hee-haw! My baby, what's wrong?
Good evening. This is Ambulance Angie.
Angie, my poor baby fell down. Hee-haw!
Don't worry, I'll be there right away. Don't worry, I'm here. I've been busy all night. I'm tired. What's happening to me? This is bad.
Oh, someone's here so early. Oh, it's Ambulance Angie.
Good morning, Super Mechanic Barry. After working all night, I suddenly can't move.
Uh-oh. Dear friends, let's repair the ambulance together. Ambulance Angie, before we start, we'll give you a checkup first.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's a problem with your engine compartment. And now, let us open up the hood and take a look inside of it. There's so much dust inside, I can't see anything. Oh, there's not enough engine oil, so there's smoke coming out. Engine oil is refilled. Let's spray some cleaning liquid, and the engine can work better.
That's awesome. I feel so terrific.
Ambulance Angie, I think you need to get a good rest.
Oh, that sounds like a good idea. I feel much more energetic now.
The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Thanks for your help, Super Mechanic Barry.
Angie, please, I need your help right now.
Don't worry, I'll be there right away. I must set out for the rescue. Goodbye, Super Mechanic Barry.
Goodbye, and see you again, Angie. Fire truck is stuck in the mud.
The forest is on fire!
Please help! Ouchies! My bottom is so hot!
Don't be scared. The brave fire truck is here. Watch out!
Oh, Captain Gordy!
What should we do?
Don't mind me. Put out the fire first. Looks like I need the help of Super Mechanic Barry.
Hello? This is Barry's repair station.
Super Mechanic Barry, I'm trapped in the mud. I need your help.
Sure thing. I'll send the tow truck to get you. Hello, Gordy. I've been waiting here for a long time.
Oh no, I don't feel well. Please help me. I need to put out the fire.
No problem. Dear friends, let us repair the fire truck. First up, let's do a checkup of the fire truck to see what's wrong. Oh, there's a lot of dirty stuff inside the engine. Let us clean them out now. Uh-oh, this clump of mud is too big. And now, let us vacuum the dust away. Wow, the engine is all clean. Gordy, try starting the engine.
It works! Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry.
You're welcome. But wait, you look too dirty. I'll give you a quick rinse. Let's see what we have in the toolbox. Time's running out. Use the high-pressure water gun.
Oh, it hurts a bit, but I can stand it.
Gordy, you're so brave. It'll be done soon. Lastly, let's dry off the water with a fan.
Wow, I feel so revitalized now.
The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry. I'm off to carry out my mission.
Safe journey, Gordy.
Help me! Please help me! Our water cannon can't reach it!
If only Captain Gordy was here with us.
Firefighters, here I come!
Wow! It's Captain Gordy!
Don't worry, leave the rest to me.
Thank you for saving me.
You're welcome.